Good day, this is Scott from FAMS. Today I'm going to show you how to locate your modem in your FAMS unit. Please switch off the unit first. Make sure that there's no power to the unit. Open it up. Depending on your unit, it will have a protective plate. Take note of all the wires in the area. Remove the 2 screws. Once the protective plate has been removed, you will see your modem is positioned, the second one from the right, has a big CPU. Carefully remove the antenna. Once you have carefully removed the antenna wire, carefully remove the modem. Be careful not to bend the pins. Underneath your modem, you'll see this SIM card slot. We'll show you how to open. Take out the SIM card from your old modem, place it in your new LTE modem. Slide the slot closed, and then carefully place the modem back into the slot. Please take note of the bottom pins. Should always start from the bottom, placing it in. Careful not to bend any pins when pressing in. Once firmly secured, carefully put back the antenna cable. You'll hear a click. Then place the safety plate back, and then you can switch on your unit.